Welcome back to Money Mindset 1011. If you're tired of waiting weeks for a paycheck, this video is for you. Here are 6 legit websites that pay you daily. And the best part, you don't need any experience to get started. Let's get into it. Number 1, ClickWorker. This platform pays you to complete simple tasks like data entry, web research, or writing short texts. The more consistent you are, the more you can earn, and you can cash out fast. Number 2, Fiverr. Have a skill like graphic design, writing, or voiceovers. List your services and get paid per job. Clients come to you, and once the work is done, you get paid. Simple. Number 3, Upwork. Similar to Fiverr, but great for freelancers who want long-term clients. There's work for beginners too, like virtual assistants or content writing. You can withdraw your earnings directly into your bank or PayPal. Number 4, Revving. Get paid to transcribe audio files into text. If you can type and listen carefully, you can do this. Work at your own pace and get paid weekly or even daily depending on the task volume. Number 5, TaskRabbit. If you're okay with doing physical tasks like assembling furniture, running errands, or cleaning, TaskRabbit is perfect. Pick tasks in your local area, finish them, and get paid instantly. Number 6, TopTal. This one's for skilled professionals like developers, designers, or financial consultants. It pays really well, and you get access to high-paying global clients. Not for beginners, but if you qualify, it's a goldmine. You don't need a degree or fancy resume to make money online. Just consistency, effort, and the right tools. Try one of these platforms and let your earnings speak for themselves. If this helped, hit like, and don't forget to subscribe to Money Mindset 1011 for more daily income ideas. See you in the next video.